Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is CC coin or Canton coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart, so let us draw the trend line. You can see this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So previously you can see candles were moving in upward direction, and you can see continuously the candles were moving in upward direction. So this is support resistance trend line, and now the breakout has happened, so candles are falling. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, you can see this support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So if you go to the weekly chart, you can see very clearly that candles are falling, and you can see the candles have taken support at this level, and then it has started moving in an upward direction. So candles may move until this resistance level, okay, and until here around 16108, and from there if the breakout happens, then candles may start falling towards the support level. Okay, so like this it may fall, again it may go up, fall, again may go up. So like this the candles may move in this downtrend channel pattern. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see after this continuous fall, the breakout happened, then candles have started moving in an upward direction. So here you can see candles are now at the support level, and candles are moving in this channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So candles may move in this channel pattern. Okay, so you can see that after the breakout the candles may go up, fall, again may go up, fall, like this may move, and from here if the breakout happens it may move downward side. If the breakout happens in upward direction, it may move in a upward direction. Okay, so like this the candles may move in a upward direction if after the breakout. So if you see here, after the breakout the candles may move in a upward direction. If the breakout doesn't happen in upward direction, then candles may fall in this downtrend channel pattern. So you can see very clearly how these candles are moving. So here only the next move will happen. Either it will give a breakout in upward direction, or else it may fall continuously in this downtrend channel pattern. After this breakout the candles may fall, okay, in downtrend. Okay, so that will be a downtrend one. Okay, so now we'll talk about other important details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is $0.1486. It is up by 0.19%. Rank is around 17. Around 26k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is 5.71 billion. Volume 24 hours is 9.5958 million, and total supply is 34 billion, and circulating supply is 38.44 billion. So now I'll go to the chart, and make sure to have a stop loss. Suppose if you go to 4 hours chart, and you can see after this candles came down support level, so it was falling continuously. Okay, so this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, after the breakout, if you have an open position around this place, okay, you should have a stop loss below this support trend line. So if the price goes up, you make profit. If it reverses, you exit with the help of stop loss to prevent any major losses. Okay, so candles went up the resistance level, and then fall is happening. If there is a breakout happens, then candles may go up. So if you have an open position around here, you should have a stop loss below this. So if the price goes up, you make profit. If it reverses, you can exit with the help of the stop loss. So that is the thing happening here, so you can see very clearly. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and this video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you and have a nice day.